guys, it's Macy with Good Faith Energy. I'm here at Ambit today to talk a little bit about thermal drone technology. And guys, this is a super unique feature that Good Faith Energy offers that you're not gonna find just at any other solar company. But to explain the details, I got my buddy Franz here. Hey Franz.
Hey Macy.
And Franz is a drone expert, you guys. So could you explain a little bit about how this thing works and why it's so special?
Yes, definitely. So this is a thermal infrared imaging drone. What it can do is detect anomalies on solar panels that aren't normally visible to the naked eye.
Awesome. So we're here at a commercial site today, but can we fly this thing around neighborhoods?
Absolutely, yes. We offer this service to our residential customers as well.
And how can our residential customers, how can they benefit from something like this?
Yeah, so with using this drone, we can detect anomalies or damages caused by hail that wouldn't normally be seen by the insurance company adjuster. Therefore, we can have those damages compensated by the insurance company for damages unseen by them.
So it seems like another company can come to your house or your work, get on the roof, but they might not see every little bit of damage that could save you money in the long run. So Franz, I got another question for you. What kind of licensing and certifications do you need to work one of these things? Because I sure can't do it.
Yeah, so I'm a Part 107 FAA drone pilot, and I also have a thermography certification as well.
Wow. So whenever you fly one of these things, do you have to get special permission or anything like that?
Yes, whenever I fly in FAA-controlled airspace, I have to send in an authorization with the FAA in order to be approved to do a drone flight in that area.
Wow. Guys, this man is dedicated. And Franz, would you consider yourself a drone nerd?
110%.
He's loud and proud, y'all. We have a 4.9 star rating on Google, and as I'm going through these reviews, I just keep seeing Franz's name pop up left and right. And what's your secret?
I'm sorry, Macy, I can't disclose that information at this time.
All right, well, Franz can teach us all about drones, all about our drone analysis process that we got here at Good Faith Energy. And once again, thank you, Franz, for explaining all about thermal drone technology. I hope you guys have heard about how special and unique that this feature is that we offer. And when you work with Good Faith Energy, you want to make sure that even post-installation, someone will come out there and make sure your system continues to work as good as it did the first day. I'm Macy, and this is Franz, and we'll be back next week to share more about solar and Good Faith Energy.
Peace.